Dear students, the conversation on health becomes stronger when young minds contribute innovative ideas. Our next participant is Zoya Maqsood Multani from India. Please, Zoya, proceed.
Good morning, everyone, fellow advocates for healthier world and doctors. I am Zoya Multani, studying in Vanita Vishram, School of Science Technology, Surat, Gujarat, India. Came through Surat. As we are here all gathered together to celebrate World Healthcare Day under the theme of Together for Health, Stand with Science. I would really ask a question: what does healthcare really mean? Usually, we think healthcare as a doctor's villain, but but nowadays we look deeper. We are united here as a force that stands firmly with science, but we are driven by the evidence, by the houses of research we were published every year, and by the clinical trials that turn hope into. Nowadays, we think that we recognize that the scientists in the lab and the patient suffering in the bed both are as much as hero as the doctors and the medicine. How far we have come. From discovering the DNA double helical structure by Watson and Crick and knowing the blueprint of it, when today's science does not stand still. We have moved from merely reading the sequence of the DNA and actively changing it to cure disease, which were once thought untreatable. We are moving from treating symptoms to curing the disease from the very source of illness. This is the power of science. It does not just observe the world; it gives the world its tools. We saw this triumph during the pandemic, very past pandemic of COVID-19, where we saw the mRNA technology hit with giving us an immune system and the other sign with a small record of time. With a small record of time, it shows how fast we are expanding in science. But however, if we are expanding with science, we must also expand with ethics and with science for its benefit. But we should also stand with science against the illegal acts happening and unregulated biohackers. Unregulated bio, we must not allow a disease to be induced in areas for more profits of medicines. And we should not allow experiments to happen which causes accidents like the Bhopal incident. We should call upon the government to act strictly on it and make laws which does not allow the people to misuse the powerful tools of the science. We Healthcare is a team sport. It requires brilliance of the researchers, care of the doctor, and trust of the public. Trust of the public. By the evidence, by everything we should require. Together for health, together for truth, together with science. Thank you.
Thank you, Zoya, for that wonderful speech.